Okay, so in today's video, I wanted to go over my $782 profit and exactly how I made this profit possible. You can see my orders that were filled. It was only a minute and a half trade. So I cut $782 within a minute and a half, only investing $952 if you did the math here. And that left me with a $782 profit. I'm pretty sure it was like 86%, something like that. It was close to 80%, somewhere in that range. You could do the math on there if you get curious about it. But basically, what made me enter this position, which is actually this small push here at, let's see, I entered on this 4-bar play that it pushed up, aka bull flag. It pushed up, pulled back down, didn't break these lows, and it engulfed this entire candle. I took the risk on it, but seeing that it was a little oversold, I saw the potential it could push up, so I invested in that push up there. One thing I noticed though also that it was changing its trend. So see how, and this doesn't mean it's going to an uptrend, it's downtrend, consolidation trend, then it picks another trend from there. So it was breaking lows continuously. It could not recover its lows, that it just kept breaking. So at this point right here, it pushed up, broke these highs, right? It broke these highs, so it was retesting. It was getting weaker for that downtrend, building this nice little margin that has to go up. It fell 100% and pushed 100%. That was my indication because it has not done that before. It hasn't fell 100%, recovered 25%, fell 100%, recovered 25%, fell 100%, recovered 100%. So that gave me that indication that it's probably done with this downtrend. Does not have to be, but it's just an indication that it could be done with this downtrend. And it started coming back down, and basically in a consolidating trend, you'll see it push 100% and fall 100% multiple times. So right when I saw this double bottom here, it started to curl, and I called this one out. I think a buddy of mine actually entered this one. But I called one of my trades out here, but I did not actually take the position. I didn't want to chase the stock, and it was just a little overbought in my eyes on the RSI and MACD itself. It was just a tad bit overbought. But this did kind of confirm my sideways consolidation trend. So when it pulled back down, right down here, it did break lows, but in my eyes, it was still a good investment. It was for a good deal. It was oversold, and this happened before, time after time before it pushes up. This has happened. So I invested whenever I was actually wanting to hop in here. It pushed up, and I told everyone, wait for the pullback. That's in my voice chat on Discord. I said, I'm going to be waiting for the pullback, and when it does pull back, I'm going to invest only a small position, so about a $900 position. I ended up taking a $952 position, and because the price came down a little lower than I was expecting for that strike, and it started pushing. Within a minute and a half, I sold for like an 80% profit, so I made $782 in 1.5 minutes. So I don't know how you'd want to say that, 1.5 minute or minutes, but I mean technically it's a minute. But so yeah, that's exactly what I did and how I saw past patterns repeat themselves. Again, when something's freshly breaking lows and not recovering from it, be expecting it to break lows again. If something broke lows recently, the downtrend is not over. If something just recently broke highs, the uptrend is not over. There's usually almost like a 95% chance that there's a retest, and that will show you whether or not it's weak. If it makes a lower high, then that shows you it's weak for a potential reversal down. If it shows you a higher low, as in it didn't want to break any lower lows, then that's a potential sign of change in direction. And it doesn't even have to be up. It could be sideways. So just watch out for that. That's exactly how I cut my profit today. I wanted to keep the video a bit short. I'm going to go over in Discord and talk to you guys over there. We have this voice chat. If you guys want to join this Discord, you might want to hurry up. We have almost 200 and something members in here, and I'm only allowing 500 members because I want to work one-on-one. I actually have some DMs I'm about to go reply to when I get off this video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys over here. See ya.